Hey there, this is Charles, your trusted voice in helping you fix your collection and credit problems. Got a question for you today. Have you ever thought that doing a budget was just something you couldn't do? And have you ever used these two classic excuses? I just don't have the time. Or the other one is just too hard to do. Come on now. Put those excuses out of your mind. Let me give you two simple solutions. Number one, get the ebook Secret Budgeting Tips Revealed at www.tiredofbillcollectors.com for only $12. Number two, if after reading the ebook you still think you need some help, give me a call at 313-744-5977 or send me an email at gethelpnow@tiredofbillcollectors.com. If you've been putting off and putting off and putting off doing a budget, this is a golden opportunity for you to do something about it right now.